IGCSE Computer Science, Syllabus Statement 2.2.2b, show understanding of the use of one-dimensional arrays. So, hang on a second. Wasn't the last statement, you declare and use one-dimensional arrays? What is this about? Well, this is about you making use of variables to to get the values in an array. So in this example, we have our colors array from the last video. Declare our array, assign the values for each location, and then we can say, okay, output, what location do you want to view? Input num, the number which they're going to view. For example, if they want to view green, they'll input 4, and it'll say location 4 has value blue, or green rather. It's 4 is green, yeah. But output green. So that's pretty much how it works. So you can call, or you can get a value from an array using a variable. Let's take a look at that. Alright, so this is where we got up to in the last video. So what we're going to do is input a number. And we're just going to do it, the pseudocode that we had just a second ago. We're going to use that. So we need to read int enter location. And then now that we've input a number, we can then say print location plus num, which basically concatenates. We've used plus in Java before, but if you were wondering what the plus did, basically plus in Java can be used to add numbers and to concatenate strings, so join strings. So we can do this. Location num has value and colors num. And that should do it. Let's give this a run. Enter location. We want to view location. We want to view location 0. Location 0 has value red. Now remember that in pseudocode, declare your array like this, and you can declare it like this if you want, but I'd suggest you do this because that's what the course wants you to do. And also, don't start at 0. Start at 1, just for your ease, and to help the examiner. Although the examiner is probably familiar with 0 starting the first thingy, but just in case. In fact, the mark scheme should also say, never mind. Just do what you want. All right, so let's try another one. Let's try 6. Location 6 is value violet. That's pretty much how it works. If you want to, you can also add two numbers. So int num equals 2 plus 3, and then location 5 is value indigo. So yeah, you can play around with this, but that's pretty much all there is to it. Using variables to index values in an array. And that's pretty much it.